Hello, I'm Ian Gibbs. I am chef consultant around in this beautiful area of Dorset. We're sat in the Colin Nash Restaurant in Christchurch, where we're going to be cooking a little dish using whole eggs and taking that recipe right back to when I started. It's going to be very exciting. So I'm using the British Lion Carton whole egg, pasteurised, safe as houses. Using the Carton egg just increases the speed and quality of a dish that you're producing or bulk producing, and know that it's guaranteed that it's going to be safe and you're going to have a fantastic product at the end. So much easier to use in regards to bulk cooking and spreading the cost in regards to labour, etc. Chefs don't want to crack eggs and stuff like that, but eggs are fundamental ingredients in a kitchen in regards to using whole eggs, soufflés, cakes, omelettes, all those kind of big tray bake bulk ideas that will speed the process up when producing food for the amount of people that would save you time. It's really important how we can do that and control our timing and our time where our chefs can use that elsewhere in regards to producing the dishes or finishing the dishes or flavouring the dishes. So what we're going to do, we're going to make an omelette with the whole egg, as we've said before, and we're going to do that with a chicken liver and pork reduction as well. We're going to make the omelette after we've cooked the chicken livers to sit them. We'll put it on the plate, make it look pretty, and it's going to look fantastic. So what we're going to do first is I'm going to have a little bit of add to it. So we're going to do a little bit of shallot, a bit of banana shallot, a little bit of crushed garlic, all over the place, beautiful. A little bit of butter. So we've got the shallot and the garlic in the pan, just with a little bit of butter. We're just going to soften that just for a couple of seconds. So we just added the chicken livers to it, a little portion of chicken livers. Cook them quite beautifully. So we're just going to chop a little bit of parsley when we finish that for that particular part of the dish. Deglazing the pan, get all the flavours out, all the caramelisation of the shallots. It's also cooking out the chicken livers as well, and we'll juice that just a little bit, and then we'll add a little bit of jus and let that cook down, and then we will make the omelette. So we just added the jus, we'll deglaze that pan again and just reduce that down a little bit to give it a nice little sauce and let that cook. And in the meantime, while we make the omelette, in goes the butter. So we're using the whole egg mix now from British Lion. Fantastic thing about this, you can do the omelettes, you can actually do with frittatas. Bake them as well. I'm gonna hold it. As you can see, there's no messing, there's no shell, there's no issues or any kind of different bits and bobs that actually work in there. So just work it in. We'll set it up. I'm not going to cook it baverse, as classic as you would do, going back in the old days where it's slightly undercooked. Now I'm going to add the flat parsley. The chicken livers give it a contrast, another little flavour. I mean, that's probably the equivalent of about 3 eggs, I would have said. Normally about 50 grams per egg as well through that. And then what we're going to do, there's our chicken livers. We're going to make a little incision just here. See the livers in this. Oh, the memories are coming back now. And then we'll have a little bit of the sauce, just like that. A little bit more parsley. And that is a proper old school dish. So we've got an omelette made with whole eggs, chicken livers and port.